Hello friends, in this particular session we will learn a very important concept which is to be asked in any interview, that is what is the difference between union and join. Many of you are always confused about when to use join and when to use union. We will solve doubt during this video. Now a question is when to use join and when to use union. Let's take an example for it. I have two tables A and B. Table A has the 5 columns and table B has 5 columns. Both the table have the same column having a same data type, and I want to combine both the table data. At that time I can use union. Suppose table A has a record of the sales data of year 2015 and table B has a record of 2016 sales data, and I want to combine the data of both the table. At that time I can use union for it. Now let's take a second scenario. Table A has 5 columns and table B also have 5 columns, and the scenario is table 1 has a ID and some employee detail, and table B has a ID and employee's contact information. Now I want to combine the data row wise, like employees name with employees contact. At that time I can use a join. We will take an example for it and we will learn it using a SQL Server's query. Let's see an example. But before I start example, I want to clear one thing, that union combine the data in the rows and join combine the data into columns. Clear? Now let's see an example. I have two tables named student and students. Table student has 4 columns named ID, student name, subject and marks. Clear? And table students have 3 columns named ID, student name and marks. Now the scenario is I want to combine both the tables data, like this table contains 5 rows and this table contains 25 rows. Now I want to combine both the tables data. At that time, and I want to combine a data using ID, student name and marks. ID, student name and marks. I don't want to use a column name subject, because in union both the table must have the same column and data type during a union select query. Clear? Now I will use a select for it. Select student ID, student name, student marks from student. Union. Select student ID, student name, students marks from students. Now let's check a result for it. You can see here the data is combined. Clear? It combines 25 datas, I hope 28 datas in result we can see, but table this table has 25 and this table has 5 data, so the combination must have 30 datas, but in union we get 28 datas. Why we get 28 datas during union? We will see this mystery in our next video, that is the difference between union versus union all. Clear? Now I will check. Now let's see an example for join. Now I want to combine employee contact, and suppose I have a table named employee contact. This table contains 5 columns: employee ID, first name, last name, salary and address. And second table, employee contact. And I want to combine the data using employee ID, and I will use join for it. Let's check a query. Select star from employee join employee contact on employee.employee id is equal to employee contact.employee id. I can compare both the primary keys. Clear? F5. You can see join combine data column wise. Clear? Now let's see final summary to remember. The number of column in union must be same for the both select statement. Clear? The column in order must be the same data type. While in the case of join, there must be one common column in both the table by which we can apply a join statement. Clear? If you have any doubt related this concept, you can mail me at dhruvinsha16 at gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.